What is up, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Alex Avalos. Sorry that we have not spoken in a few months. Let's see, what have we done in this few months? I got a pilot license. I netted over 100,000 in the Forex market, and I have grown my Telegram chat, and I have consistently I've increased probably 2 or 3 people over $25,000 each in the Forex market and crypto market. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it. Here is the plan. Mondays, dropping weekly overviews, quality over quantity. We're going to be doing 3 trades a week. On Friday, I'll be throwing price predictions. Days between Monday and Friday, I'll be throwing in other types of videos, more or less market tips, tricks, advice, just anything that can help you in the market. I'm going to be trying to upload every other day, or maybe every single day, maybe not the weekends, but that is my plan. Now, for this week, what do we have? I have 3 great trades. I have Solana, I have Bitcoin, I have Peloton. Peloton is that bike company that was famous in the pandemic, which it grew significantly just like Zoom. It was one of more of those niche markets that in that time, it blew up, but now since then it's came down drastically, and we will be buying it up. Solana, I have price action for 165, and Bitcoin will be taken to over 45,000 this week. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it right up to Solana. Alright, what can we see here on Solana? Well, the cloud hasn't really updated because there's not too much info on price for Solana, but you can see the lagging span is indicating down, touching the nearest baseline. We see on the weekly it's updated. You can see price is considerably far away from the cloud, indicating that there is future strength and the size of the cloud already as a whole. See the lagging span is starting to turn. See a bullish reversal right here. And this is almost a shooting star. Sell off, buy up right here on this week, and this is on the weekly. We can also see that there is moving average disequilibrium, which is telling us that price will have to come back to the nearest moving average, and this is a lagging indicator, so this is not spot for price. This is going to take a little time to set up, but we set it up as 135 was our entry and 165 was our take profit. Now we are already up a little over 3%, but we'll take it to 165. We'll hold. See this week it'll turn spot 140, it'll take the trade to 145, the next support, and then it'll play a support from 145 to 150 and push thereafter to 165. What can we see here on the daily? You can see a lot of mumbo jumbo, but price really is topped out at 130, major support. Price is trading underneath the cloud sell off, indicating from probably right around the 200 level all the way to where we are now. We can see price average disequilibrium and moving average disequilibrium, both telling us that a price has to come back up. Lagging span indicating up, bullish reversal, take it to 145 right here. We'll play it up to 155 and then so on to 165 right here. We'll check on the 4-hour. Price is still not trading above the cloud, indicating that price can still stay lower than 137 or about that. But probably be waiting till around 4 o'clock today after a couple more hour candle closes. Price should flip on the bullish side to at least 145. And we'll be taking it to 165. Bitcoin. That crypto sell-off was insane, so we're buying it back this week. What can we see? Lagging span indicating down, small growth for the cloud. You can see price average disequilibrium, indicating that the price can come down to around 40,000 level, top out, and then push up, back up to 45, but I think it's not going to do that. You can see on the weekly, price is really close to the cloud, indicating future price movement is bullish. And what can we see? That the lagging span is above the cloud, price is above the cloud, indicating positive growth. Now, what's going to really drive this is once we hit over 42.5, because once that happens, we should take it to the next support, 44,000, and push up to about 45,000. And once price has a confirmation of that, we should be able to move closer up to the 50,000 support, which is crucial for Bitcoin. But what do we also see here on the daily? We also see that price is trading beneath the cloud. We don't want lagging span beneath the cloud, but it is indicating a bullish movement. But we are, my bad, we are trading sideways right now. So would I get into it? No, not yet. I'm still waiting for above 42,500. We caught the buy yesterday from 40,800 to 42,000. And then it came back for a sell-off. And now we will be locked in when it confirms above 42,500, which should be right around this area right here, which will, in the next couple of hours, like I say, probably around 4 or 5 o'clock, the hands will change and the price will start to trade above the cloud. And we'll wait for a future price movement to about 44,000, 45,000 on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin and Solana, and the last one is Peloton. Let's check out Peloton, because Peloton's very interesting. We could see that during the pandemic, 2020, valued at 170.91. That's insane. Well, what can we see? The lagging span, boom, took it all the way down. Clouds starting to form. Major price average disequilibrium. Look at this. Price here, moving average up here. This has work to do. This is a gap trade. This is what we're looking for. Now, what can I see here with Peloton? And no one honestly probably be believing in Peloton, but I believe that this stock is going to run. So what can I see here? Again, price is trading beneath the cloud, which is fine. It was a major sell-off. You'll have to give it some support and some time to build back up. But we've been in it since 32, and we got in yesterday. And so we can see that price trading beneath the cloud, price average disequilibrium, major moving average disequilibrium, which is telling me price will have to come up eventually. I can see that the cloud bear is starting to weaken, right? And price is already in a bullish confirmation right here. Could take price up to 43 very, very soon. And my price target for this was $55 a share. And it wasn't going to be for this week. No way that Peloton's shooting up $20 a week. But I was going to hold it for at least till the end of this month. If not, just swing it for 2 to 3 weeks. Maybe a month. But I believe it'll still pay off. I have an options trade on it for the 14th of February. So let's see how that goes. So 40 is a huge support for this, and look at this right here. This is what's confirming my gap trade for me. Once Peloton trades above $42 and price comes over here above the cloud, trust me, Peloton will be running. So that is my analysis for this week, everyone. Weekly trades overview number 11. I'm so sorry that it took me this long to get back to y'all, but I had to work on myself. I had to get rid of some bad habits. I had to focus more on my trading ability, prove to myself that I can trade over and over, and every single trade. I have a plan. It's called the Golden Rule. I got 10 things that I've written down, and I look at every single one before I place a trade. But the biggest one to me is, if I take this trade 100 times, will this help me get to my long-term trading goal? And that one stuck with me. So if I take a trade 100 times, am I going to make money? You goddamn right I will. We're taking this shit all the way to the bank. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. It was weekly trades number 11. I'll be dropping price prediction, and I got a couple other video ideas for this week. I hope to see y'all very soon. Stay safe. Bye.